Hello, welcome back to the channel. You're going to continue to build our app. The first thing, as you already do, is to start our Apache and MySQL server. And then we open up our Visual Studio Code and also test our app in the browser. Once everything is working, today we are going to try and add a background image at this part of the app. Okay, you're going to have a background image the app, something that will look very attractive to sustain users as they come to the page. So the first thing I want us to do is to go to our Visual Studio Code. Then we are going to define a new CSS structure using the HTML tag itself. The first one I want us to deal with is what a body tag. Then we are going to add a background image to this body tag. So go for background as image, and then you go for the URL. Okay, and then because I just want us to do this, see the problem, then image files, then what our image files or front page. We're going to use front page dot what PHP, sorry, front page dot JPEG. Okay, let's save it. Now let us go to our browser, reload. You see nothing is happening. Okay, when you reload, nothing happens because there is an error here. Okay, we are trying to move out of a folder to access a file which is not in our current folder. So in order to do that, we have to bring in a way of what doing that. And in so doing is what bring in the double dot. Once you bring the double dot, then you have what access to the folder. If you don't do that, okay, there is no way you'll be able to have a link to that particular what folder. So I left this thing out for you to see the error so that in linking your files to a document outside of the current folder, you will be able to know what to do. So the moment you bring in the double dot, then you are going to have direct access to what a particular another what folder. So I just left that out for you to what see the error. And when you are coding, when you are linking to document, you know exactly what you do. So then you go back, let us reload. Everything is showing very nicely, but not as we want it. Okay, you want this picture here, okay, this person here to be at this part of what the page, to be at this part of the page, so that we can see their action, how they are reacting to each other. Okay, so that it will, the picture to be appear, the picture of the two people to what appear neatly at this at the left side of the page. So what you want us to do is that you could use a photo editing app to do that, and my preferred app is going to be Photoshop. So let's go to Photoshop. Okay, then let's create new document. So we are going to create a custom document with the size of the current screen. We're using 1980 1080 by the height of that. So they are all in pixels. Okay, with that. Now once we have that, then we can browse to our folder where the images are located. XAMPP. Okay, then you go to htdocs, Then we go to dating app. Then we give image files. Then we want to work on this image. So we come here, select the image, put it here. Let's copy it to Photoshop. It's taking some time to load. Okay, so everything is in correct order, but I want us to push this part of the page. It's stretching too much. I don't like it. So this way, and let's save it and see. This is good. So we save it. Then we browse to our web folder, grab C, and you go to XAMPP, htdocs, then see dating app, then image files, then let's look for JPEG extension, and let's say front page 101970. Let's say something like that, and let's save it. Now as well, it's okay. Let's save it. Fine. Now I want us to our B code, then let's use 1970 and see how it looks. Reload. Okay, it's now shown here very nicely. All right, this brings us to the end of the tutorial. Please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching.